You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
You are going to love the 2018 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer, steering wheel controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.